Hi, this is Jordan with ButterflyMX. In this video, we are going to go over how to manage your administrators in the ButterflyMX OS. Before we get started, please make sure that you have registered your admin access. To log into your ButterflyMX administrator account, please visit butterflymx.com and click Login at the top right of the page. This will take you to the ButterflyMX OS login page where you will be able to enter your username and password. Don't forget, your username is also your email address. Enter in your information and hit Sign In. Next, you'll be on the ButterflyMX OS Live Buildings page where you can select which building you want to access. Once on the main dashboard, click on the Administrators tab on the left-hand side. The Administrators page is where you will find a list of all the current admins in a property. If you need to make any changes to this list, please reach out to your dedicated client success manager or to our support team at support@butterflymx.com. They'll be happy to make any changes you need. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your administrators in the Butterfly MX OS. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to learn how Butterfly MX makes property access simple.